This is why you need to understand AI's impact on your motivation and daily life. It's not just for tech nerds, this affects you and everyone around you. AI is everywhere, from your newsfeed to your playlist, influencing your choices. But did you know it could be sabotaging your personal drive and productivity? Think about it. AI algorithms are designed to keep you hooked, feeding you endless content. Sounds cool, right? But here's the catch. The more you scroll, the less you achieve in your daily tasks. By constantly distracting you, AI can hijack your focus, making it harder to stay motivated on your goals and aspirations. Imagine wanting to exercise, but instead you binge watch another series or scroll endlessly. That's AI at work, nudging you off track and away from your goals. But don't worry, knowledge is power and can help you regain control. Being aware of AI's tricks can help you reclaim your motivation. Set screen time limits, take regular breaks, and stay conscious of how you spend your time online. Reflect on your habits. You're in control, not the algorithm. Take charge of your tech usage. Ready to take back your motivation? Let's do this and make a change. In this chapter, we will delve deeper into the psychological impacts of AI on our daily lives. Stay tuned as we explore real-life examples and expert opinions. Let's start with a real-life example. Meet Sarah, a college student who found herself increasingly anxious and unproductive. She realized her constant checking of social media, driven by AI algorithms, was a major contributor. Sarah's grades began to slip, and she felt more isolated despite being constantly connected. Sarah's experience is far from unique. Dr. Emily Johnson, a leading psychologist, explains, AI-driven platforms are designed to exploit our psychological vulnerabilities. They tap into our need for social validation, leading to a cycle of continuous engagement and distraction. But it's not just social media. AI impacts us in more subtle ways. For instance, recommendation algorithms on streaming services can lead to hours of binge watching, diminishing our time for more enriching activities. Dr. Michael Lee, an expert in human-computer interaction, notes, these algorithms create a personalized experience that feels rewarding in the short term, but can lead to long-term dissatisfaction and decreased productivity. Understanding these psychological impacts is the first step towards mitigating them. By being aware of how AI influences our behavior and emotions, we can take proactive measures to protect our mental well-being. Stay with us as we continue to uncover the hidden effects of AI and provide you with actionable strategies to regain control over your mindset and daily life. Welcome back. Now that we've seen real-life examples and heard from experts, let's dive into the science behind how AI manipulates our behavior and emotions. Understanding this will empower you to recognize and counteract these influences. At the core of AI's manipulative power are algorithms designed to maximize engagement. These algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to predict and influence your behavior. Dr. Jane Smith, a cognitive scientist, explains AI systems use reinforcement learning, a type of machine learning where algorithms are trained to make decisions based on rewards and punishments. This means they constantly adapt to keep you engaged, often at the cost of your well-being. One of the most potent tools in AI's arsenal is the dopamine feedback loop. When you receive a notification or like on social media, your brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This creates a cycle of seeking more engagement to get that hit of dopamine. Over time, this can lead to addictive behaviors and reduced attention spans. Dr. Robert Thompson, a neuroscientist, notes, our brains are wired to seek novelty and rewards, which AI exploits by constantly offering new content and social validation. This can lead to a state of hyper-engagement where we're always looking for the next notification or update, making it difficult to focus on more meaningful activities. It's not just social media that's affected. Streaming services, online shopping platforms, and even news websites use similar techniques to keep you hooked. The constant barrage of tailored recommendations and personalized content makes it easy to lose track of time and priorities. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial. By recognizing how AI manipulates your behavior, you can take proactive steps to mitigate its effects. Awareness is the first step towards regaining control over your mindset and daily life. Stay with us as we move on to practical steps you can take to protect your mindset and stay ahead in the age of AI. Don't miss out on these valuable tips. Now that we understand the hidden dangers of AI and how it can sabotage our motivation, let's dive into practical steps to outsmart these distractions and regain our focus. Step 1. Identify your distractions. Take a moment to reflect on what apps, websites, or notifications draw your attention the most. Is it social media, news apps, games? Once you're aware of your biggest distractions, you can take action to limit their influence. Step 2. Use technology to your advantage. There are numerous apps and tools designed to help you stay focused. Consider using screen time trackers, website blockers, or productivity apps that remind you to take breaks and stay on task. These tools can help you set boundaries and keep you accountable. Step 3. Create a distraction-free environment. Designate specific times and spaces for focused work or relaxation without your devices. This could mean setting up a cozy reading nook, going for a walk, or having device-free dinners with family and friends. By creating these tech-free zones, you can train your brain to focus on the present moment and your immediate goals. Step 4. Establish a daily routine. Consistency is key to building new habits and maintaining motivation. Set specific times for your activities, whether it's exercising, studying, or working on personal projects. Stick to your schedule, and over time it will become second nature. Step 5. Reflect and adjust. Regularly review your progress and make adjustments as needed. If you find certain strategies aren't working, don't be afraid to try new approaches. The goal is to find what works best for you and helps you stay motivated and focused. Remember, it's not about eliminating technology from your life, but rather using it mindfully and intentionally. By implementing these practical steps, you can outsmart AI distractions and take control of your time and motivation. You've got this. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to enhance your productivity and stay motivated in the digital age. Now that you have practical steps to outsmart AI distractions, let's take it a step further by building a resilient mindset in the digital age. Having a strong mental foundation is key to facing the challenges of our tech-driven world. Step 1. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Taking just a few minutes each day to meditate can significantly reduce stress and improve focus. Apps like Headspace or Calm provide guided sessions that can help you start your mindfulness journey. By being present and aware, you can better manage the distractions that come your way. Step 2. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow rather than obstacles to avoid. When you encounter setbacks, view them as learning experiences. This shift in perspective can help you stay motivated and resilient even when faced with digital distractions. Step 3. Set meaningful goals. Having clear, achievable goals gives you a sense of direction and purpose. Break these goals into smaller, manageable tasks and celebrate your progress along the way. This not only keeps you focused, but also boosts your confidence and motivation. Step 4. Connect with like-minded individuals. Surround yourself with people who share your values and goals. Join online communities, attend workshops, or participate in group activities that align with your interests. These connections can provide support, inspiration, and accountability. Step 5. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial in maintaining a resilient mindset. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, and engage in regular physical activity. Self-care practices like journaling, spending time in nature, or pursuing hobbies can also help you recharge and stay balanced. Remember, building a resilient mindset is an ongoing process. It requires patience, practice, and dedication. But with these strategies, you can navigate the digital age with confidence and maintain your motivation amidst the distractions. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to help you thrive in our increasingly connected world. You've got this.